Support for the frontliners and those who are currently afflicted with the deadly coronavirus disease are outpouring. Cards with inspiring messages are all over social media, and people to continue to donate protective equipment for the frontliners. More on this report.
This young boy created cards especially for those afflicted with COVID-19. Through his personally drawn cards, JJ Maki from Talisay City tells COVID-19 positives that he is praying for them and that they must continue fighting. A doctor from Barili, Cebu, is encouraging children to also continue sending inspiring COVID get well letters. Dr. Michelle Ann Recto Dagoy, Assistant Municipal Health Officer of Barili Rural Health Center 1, said these cards mean a lot to the patients. Letters and cards made by children are scanned and sent to the Research Institute for Tropical Medicine, or RITM. The actual cards are distributed to Cebu hospitals with COVID patients as a way of reminding them not to lose hope. In Cagayan de Oro City, a group of young volunteers joined hands in making face shields for frontliners. Buddies Raven Duran and John Vincent Fiel pooled their resources for their project to distribute over 1,000 face shields to medical personnel at Northern Mindanao Medical Center, the main COVID hospital in the city. A nurse from a hospital in University Southern Mindanao in KABACAN, COTABATO, who has been under home quarantine for days, became emotional when his fellow nurses and medical workers brought food and fruits and surprised him on his birthday. Meanwhile, in ILOILO City, a private group and individuals donated containers full of fish and dressed chickens to the city's community kitchen. 249 community kitchens are stationed in 5 districts of the city to give food to the most affected residents during the enhanced community quarantine.
Na-ratio in proportion ta, kada district ginatinguan ta nga magaan sila gid nga parte nila.
Indian nationals living in the city also gave medical supplies to barangay officials. They also gave food to barangay tanods and volunteers who are assigned at different barangay checkpoints. Due to limited supply of personal protective equipment, nurses and medical staff of the medical city Iloilo made their DIY PPEs. Their Teletubbies hazmat suit even went viral online. Aside from giving these to hospitals, they are also giving away PPEs to COVID-19 centers and isolation areas in district hospitals in Iloilo. Ilonggo designers also joined forces in designing and making PPEs for frontliners using donations from generous Ilonggos. The enforced community quarantine has truly brought the best in everyone. With the limited resources, 8 families in a barangay started pooling resources to ensure that everybody gets to eat. Women in the neighborhood prepare and cook healthy meals for everyone. In Lanao del Norte Province, many residents took the White Ribbon Challenge campaign initiated by the DILG. When a white ribbon is tied outside the house, this means the homeowner will no longer accept food ration from the local government, so these can be reallocated instead for those who need it the most. Those who accepted the challenge said, though they are not rich, they have enough food for their needs. Indeed, this COVID-19 crisis has shown the Filipinos' bayanihan spirit in action, serving as a beacon of hope for everyone. I am Luan Merandina for GMA Regional TV.